Let's do this problem. The question is asking if cos x is equal to minus 3 by 4 and cot y is equal to 4 by 3, where x and lie between 5 and 2 pi. Evaluate sin x plus y. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to I draw a graph right here. So according to trigonometric rule, here all are positive. Here sine is positive, and here tan is in the third quadrant, tan is positive, and the fourth quadrant cos is positive. So this is the general thing to know before we approach this question. So first of all, let's copy this down. So it's going to be cos x is equal to minus 3 by 4. And the second one given is cot y is equal to 4 by 3. I can take tan y, that's much easier, and we know tan y very well. So tan y is going to be reciprocal of this one. It's going to be 3 over 4. So first of all, we have to draw the graph for this one. So also remember the interval is 5 to 2 pi. So 5 to 2 pi, it means we are only taking care of the bottom part, this value. So let's draw this graph. First of all, for the x, so cos mean adjacent over hypotenuse. So in this case, adjacent is going to be minus 3 and hypotenuse is going to be 4. From this information, I can find the opposite side using Pythagorean theorem. It's going to be minus 3 square, let's say this one a plus a square is equal to 4 square. It's going to give us 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Therefore, a is going to be equal to square root of 7. But in this case, it's going to be minus square root of 7 because it's below the, it's in the downside, right? So it's going to be minus square root of 7. So that's my a. And now the angle that making is x. So that's all we have to know. Then let's draw the diagram for y. So it's going to be, so here is tan is positive. So tan is positive in the third quadrant. Therefore, I have to choose the third quadrant. Tan is also positive in the first quadrant, but the interval is 5 to 2 pi. Therefore, we have to use the diagram below this horizontal. So if I take this tan here, if I take this y angle, and according to tan y is equal to opposite of adjacent. So opposite is going to be my 3, and if I put 3 here, this is going to be negative 3 because it's left hand side of the x intercept, right? And we have 4, that's going to be adjacent. So opposite is here. It's also minus 3 because below, and adjacent is going to be 4. So that's all we have to figure it out. And also we, from this information, we can find the hypotenuse. That's going to be according to Pythagorean theorem, it's going to be 4 square plus 3 square is going to be 16 plus 9, 25. Therefore, this is going to be 5. And hypotenuse is always positive. Therefore, we don't have to worry about the sign. Then we have to evaluate this one. So the question given is sin x plus y. So addition of sin x expands like sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is minus root 7 over hypotenuse is 4, and cos y is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. Its adjacent is minus 4 over hypotenuse is 5, and then we have plus cos x. Cos x is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse is going to be minus 3 over 4, and we have sin y. Sin y is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. It's going to be minus 3 over 5. Then if I calculate this value, it comes out to be this 4 cancels, and this will become minus 1. Then minus 1 times 7 is minus 7 is going to be plus 7. Therefore, this plus root 7 over 5 plus. Then if I multiply this one together, it will become 9 and over 20. And to add this together, I had to take the common denominator. To do that, I had to multiply this one by 4. Therefore, this will become 4 root 7 over 20 and plus 9 over 20. If I add them together, it's going to be 4 root 7 plus 9 over 20, and this is my final answer. And that's how it's done. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.